games founders and Thomas, if you're watching, Thomas literally just posted a video which I wasn't prepared for him to post, but I thought hey, I've got time, I may as well record a reaction video. So let's get straight into this, because I think my camera battery might die partway through this. I can't be sure though.
All the Sandersides figures. Don't see Janus in there. Don't see one of the best characters out there. Just saying. Sup, everybody. I'm not gonna do the hand thing. It's too much work. 'Tis I, Deceit, Janus, and yes, I've always said 'tis I. Always. I hope that you all are doing so well. I couldn't even get through that sentence. I couldn't even lie about how little I cared about how well you were doing. I mean, who is doing well these days? If you say that you're doing well, you're lying to yourself. A lot of you out there have requested that I take on the game Among Us. I hear that it has a lot of deception involved in it, so I thought, why the hell not? Ooh, is Thomas going to be able to keep in character the entire time? Probably not. I mean, totally. So yeah, we're going to do it, but not alone, because that would be just pitiful. We're going to be joined by 9 of Thomas's real-life friends. I put quotes around friends because can Thomas really be sure they're actually his friends? Can any of us really know who is and is not our friend? I'm deep. You're probably asking yourself, wow, how can Janus play with a bunch of real-life friends of Thomas's? Well, all of this isn't canon. I'm playing a character, and don't think about it too much. Alright, so I have to do this computer thing. I don't understand computers because I'm not a nerd. I'm going to try this one more time, but it keeps rejecting the name Janus. So apparently I couldn't be Janus. I guess they thought I was saying J-anus. So I have to go with the more subpar version. Stupid. Alright, we're in. So, I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys. Here today with me, I have Kenny. Hello there, it's me.
Hey, Kenny!
Is Terrence here? Your voice again. Quill, is Quill in the building? The quilding. We can hear Dominic. Is Dominic there?
Dominic is here. Hello.
With us as well, we have Dahlia.
Hello, Dahlia's here.
Hello, Dahlia.
This is so
Esteban,
cool.
Are you there? Hello. Esteban, people may know from Cartoon Therapy. You play Also with us, we have Faria.
Yeah.
Yes, hello.
Is Lev here?
Hi, I'm Lev, and I can make minutes.
This is so cool.
Quill, are you here yet?
Yes, I am here. Hello.
Hey,
I
Quill!
believe Dobby is here. Dobby?
I am, in fact, not
Dobby.
here. We need to move on from this.
Ooh, I like
Or
the
Janus.
deception. Very good. Yes, it's Janus. Come on.
Should we all have our names as real names so we can kind of keep track, or...?
No, you be Jar Jar Bink. It's not good at all. All right, let's go
More like
ahead
Jar
and
Jar
start
Blink.
this game, shall we?
Best of luck, everyone.
It's exciting. Oh, I have to mute. We have to mute ourselves. So, I take it you just walk through these levels, and you go through these vents, which is a silly way of transporting oneself around. And I think that you're supposed to also do tasks as well, which is part of this game. There aren't any murders yet, and I'm terribly bored. Literally no murders yet. I'm bored. Where are the tasks? I just want to push that button just to feel something. Alright, so...
Me too.
What does this platform do? Does it do anything? Not 3'6". Great.
Really? No one's really doing anything? Okay.
Rest in peace,
Good.
Blue.
Lev, you do that. Not sus. I have no idea who you are. Oh. Was that...
Oh.
Body has been discovered!
Terrence!
I was checking comms on the other side of the ship, and I saw a dead body. So I
Comms.
went all the way around to try to find it, and that's where I found him. So,
Janus both did body scan.
I was doing a body scan. I am totally innocent.
Who is not sus?
Who is not sus?
Esteban is not
I'm voting for not sus because I just don't trust them.
We took too long. Guys, we gotta speed this witch hunt up.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
I think it's very unfair. I'm dead and still have to work. That's messed up.
Terrence, no sleep for the dead. I think that's the phrase.
Sleep is for the
Oh,
weak!
good. We get to connect chords and make a ship go. This is totally how a ship works.
Where is Dobby this whole time? Huh?
Oh, really, Kenny? Oh,
Hi,
really?
Dobby.
I'm gonna catch you venting and you're gonna blame me?
Did you?
No.
Guys, stop
Okay,
fighting. We're
yeah,
all
right.
friends here. So what I hear is Kenny trying to sabotage Dobby. Is that correct?
Yes.
Well done, Kenny. I love it. I'm voting for Dobby.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh, rest in
Kenny,
peace,
pull up in your
Kenny.
face. How sad. How sad. Oh dear, who could be the imposter? I'm so
Oh, no.
excited.
That was mean. That was right there too.
Oh, this was an easy one.
He's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
A body has been discovered.
It's been quilled.
It was a slaughterhouse, and it was Red. Red murdered everybody.
What are you talking about? I didn't even touch anyone.
Literally saw it with Esteban.
Did you?
Red.
Oh, Faria was an imposter. It turns out I'm very good at this. As everyone can see, I'm still alive because I'm clearly the best at this game. Oh. Emergency meeting. Every Sandersides episode ever. Yes.
No, it's not me, and it's not Janus.
So are we saying that it's Dahlia?
It's not me.
Yeah, so we both picked out.
So, is everyone's proof that it's me, just that everyone else said it wasn't them? 'Cause y'all-
Clearly. That's how this
y'all don't
works,
have
I
any
imagine.
Proof it was me.
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh,
I
no.
feel great. Oh, hit
The
the
emergency button,
hit
Thomas.
the emergency button. That's right. That's a button. I'm going as fast as I possibly can. Can I do this? Oh, there's Dobby.
Hi.
There's a crisis.
Come here.
You guys, who left their kid in the cafeteria? Like, this is just irresponsible parenting.
And that's
Now,
creepy.
turn that out. Hit the button. Hit the button.
Oh, the
my
poor
God.
green kid.
Hit the button, Thomas.
Oh. I
Oh.
hit the button. Esteban,
Y'all
I
are
definitely
so
hit the button. Faria and Dobby, well done. Good on you.
Thank you.
I was just rusty, and I had to figure out how to get that button pressed. It
Hi,
wasn't
Rossi,
working.
I'm
Yeah,
Edith.
I really took advantage of the fact that you're not a seasoned gamer.
Okay, nerd. Look at these. Fun trinkets of a bookshelf. He hasn't read a single one of these books. All right, here we go.
Why you got me calling me up, bro? Why?
Dominic never stops singing. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, there's a lot of people here. That's disconcerting. I'm gonna follow you now. Esteban. I've always admired your tenacity, Esteban. 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 Listen to me, Esteban. Oh, there's a dead body. I was with Esteban the whole time. Esteban will vouch for me.
Guys, I know who it is. Is that helpful at all?
It does not, Quill, but I do appreciate the insight. Vote. Oh, so many people just skipped. I won't tell who I was going to vote for. Look at this room. Ooh, there's some Beats by Dre over there. Oh,
Okay.
Faria.
I saw either white or blue vent in, what is it, cams to electrical. But I couldn't tell because I just got there the second they
On the right side of the map.
Y'all did not eject me now.
Everyone vote Davi. Everyone. Oh, I think it's Davi.
Vote,
Hey, Davi. Everybody should vote Davi.
You know what's crazy is I didn't.
Come on.
No, you weren't. I did not vent.
I forgot your name was Davi, maybe, and I thought it read Davi maybe was an imposter, and I was like, oh, we're not going to find out. Look at this large group of people that are afraid of dying, so they congregate together. Have you ever seen a Scooby-Doo episode? We split up. Okay, I may or may not have just learned that everyone has specific tasks that they do.
There's a map button.
Thomas, Janus.
I said I may or may not have.
Yeah, the map will show you exactly where they are. Oh.
Oh, thank God somebody died. Oh my God, they killed Kenny.
Rest in peace, Kenny. Rest in peace. Rest in pieces.
Oh, the denial.
Body was fresh. I watched it
No,
fall.
no, I
Oh my god. There were 5 of us in the room.
Okay, So if it's Terrence,
Go ahead. I'll vote for myself.
I would say it's the
It
lab.
wasn't me.
That's so messed up.
Wow, y'all.
You guys are
No wonder there was a long pause between deaths, and I knew it would have been because the Sweetie Pie Terrence was in charge of having to kill anybody. I know that in a very early episode of Sanders Sides, back when they were making them every single week, Patton had desired to do a Let's Play channel, and all I have to say to that is, haha, Patton got here first. No, I'm just playing. Every single game that you wish that you could play, Patton. But I can give you all a sample of what that might have been. Oh my gosh, we're playing Among Us. Oh, rainbows, sunshine, and lollipops. I don't like killing or lying. It basically would be something like that.
Guys, I just want to say really quickly, I love everybody's little costumes. Janus's is perfect. Davi, I love the bat ears.
Mine is perfect. Davi's, because yes, he's a hellspawn.
My Among Us costume is literally dark blue with a banana skin on top. I don't know why. I just like blue and bananas, I guess.
Oh, I love this map.
Okay, it's chilly.
What is this? I don't like all this. What is all of this?
Oh, I don't remember how this map works.
Ooh.
I don't know where all the places are that I need to go.
Don't worry, I know this map.
Thank you,
I know.
Davi.
You're
Thank God.
welcome.
Ooh. Oh, Lev. That's a shame. I was going to immediately vote for him.
Note
Also,
that down.
Davi, why are you following me like that?
I'm trying to do the canister task. I don't know where. I know it's in that area, but I don't remember what part it was in.
I'm going to vote Davi because he said that he does know this map very well, and that the canisters are somewhere in that area.
I like that
I've
thought.
not played the game in months because I'm not a loser, but okay.
Wow, Davi. I think we're going to have to boot you out just for that horrible attitude.
Are you guys familiar with that TikTok trend where it's like, hey, I'm so-and-so and I think so-and-so is going to be the most drunk? That's kind of how I feel like this game is working out.
Hey, how did
Hi, I'm
you feel?
Phil, and I think Esteban is the most sus.
Well, clearly I'm not sus.
Don't worry, guys. I still filled my canister even though you killed me. Because I'm a good boy doing good boy tasks.
Oh, Faria was sabotaging me. Well done, Faria. I think it's you. Okay, well, clearly it's Terrence again because there's been so much time between deaths.
First of all, it is not. I'm over here doing my little task. Don't come to me. You know what? I don't appreciate the slander. I really don't.
I just witnessed something.
Looks like somebody took me out. Not in a fun way.
I'm gonna vote for not sus just because he's very quiet right now and around the
Well,
first
and you've
round.
given me a moment. Okay. It's gonna be cool.
You all are doing so well. You're doing so well right
Welcome
now.
to the team.
Welcome to the ghost group.
Do a little following around of the person who took me out. Oh, look. Faria's a sneaky.
Hey, well done, Kelly.
To always suspect Faria.
Do a little dance. Make a little
Get down tonight.
Get down tonight.
Don't die tonight.
There you go, Davi. That's brilliant.
Do a little
No, I
dance.
agree, Janus.
Be
I
a little
really do.
sus.
Oh my god, that's really perfect, actually. Cool, I'm a little bit sissy, my friend.
Whose cat is that? Tell them I say hello.
Grim Domton's hello.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, poor Lev's out again.
Okay, we just found the body.
I did. for you.
Yeah, Faria did.
But it was in front of, where you call the emergency meeting. It was like right around there.
Was anybody in there?
I actually was, and it was Kenny.
Like, not that close to it,
No, it
but
wasn't. I was near, not sus.
Everyone vote Kenny.
I
He
don't
did
know
it.
if it's not that.
No, I
I'm just-
didn't.
Yes, it was. Kenny.
Me.
I
Bye,
mean,
Kenny.
that's fair. I mean, after last round, I totally get it.
I was just
Lord
tired
of the
of
Lies.
waiting through it.
I just think the mob mentality thing is stupid.
I just like seeing what you guys will do if I tell you to do it. Dahlia knows that I'm not the imposter because I could have killed her at any point, and I didn't.
Bonnie has been
Oh,
discovered.
boy, most of the suspicious people are gone, except Faria.
They were dead together.
They were
Bodies
dead
were-
together.
Both bodies were in the same place.
So your cockamamie proposal is that both Davi and Kenny kill each other in a fit. Sounds like a lot of baloney. I'm going for Faria.
Okay, it's Janus.
Spaghetti bologna.
It's not me.
Everyone
It's
votes
not me.
Janus.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
Apparently the mob mentality is just wild with all of you.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't feel safe at all now.
you shouldn't feel safe. You know how many ghosts are floating around this map?
So I get to still do these stupid tasks in death. This is great. This is such a fun game. I understand why it's become a national craze.
Did you guys not turn the
International
lights
praise.
back on?
They are not on right now. Now the lights are up forever.
What? What did I tell you? What did I say?
You were right.
I was right.
And I was sniping at the same time.
Now you'll know to believe me. Anytime I throw an accusation anywhere. You know how old the Coca-Cola in those Dear Evan Hansen bottles must be? Like if you had put a penny in them, they'd be completely dissolved. That's real Coca-Cola to them. Gross.
This passport.
I saw Faria report a body.
You saw me running there, so it can't be me.
I did see you running there, and it probably can't be you, but the jury's not out.
Did anybody not see anything or no?
No, I didn't see anything.
All right. Ooh, look at all those skips. Or a venerable ad before a YouTube video. Ooh, Esteban and Kenny.
So I just saw Faria kill Kenny, and then I reported as fast as I could.
You saw Faria?
Faria opened the door, killed Kenny, didn't realize I was there.
I gotta make a big mistake, I promise. It's Davi. I saw him.
Is everybody voting
Yeah,
Davi
it's
or is
not
everybody
Faria.
voting Faria?
Get Faria.
Can you murder someone and then report the body?
Yes,
You
you
can,
can.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wish I would have known that when I was in there slicing and dicing.
Slicing and dicing.
That sweet, sweet group accusation.
Let's see
I made a mistake.
Not. So it was Davi. Davi, watch your back. Brilliantly done, but you definitely showed your hand, Davi. I apologize. Where's the emergency button?
It's in the cafeteria. No.
Oh.
They gotcha.
Davi, I know that you're a hardcore me stan, and you're definitely showing me up.
Is it okay that I'm fully eating during this? So
Sure.
Give me the
Terrence.
burger,
Sustenance for sustenance.
oh my god!
Sustenance.
Here we go. Stop following me. I'm gonna go behind you. Ooh,
Stop following
What if
me.
I to just vote Davi out because of who he is as a person, right?
I feel like that's not okay to do to someone.
But on the other hand, isn't it?
No.
It was Davi. It was Davi. I'm telling it 100% the truth. Davi, I can't even believe.
Yeah, Janus, truth teller. Why don't you tell me?
Yes, Davi. Davi was in the cafeteria, murdered someone, murdered Quill right in front of me.
I walked
Right
in
in
and
front
Janus
of me.
killed.
Davi, you don't understand how hard it is to tell the truth so much right now. It sucks. I love it because I was going to vote for you anyway because of who you were as a person, but now I get to vote for you because it is justified. This is so nice.
If it's not Davi, we're voting for Janus.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
one of the two.
please.
One of the two.
I voted for Janus because I don't vote.
Just to be fair,
Esteban.
I see it.
Esteban.
Oh.
I'm going to follow Davi.
We need to vote one. We need to vote one.
I'm willing to die for the good of the group, so if you want to do that, go ahead.
That sounds very reverse psychology.
Sure.
So,
Are you voting on the truth? Is this like reverse psychology or?
Alright, vote for Janus.
Vote for me, please.
boom, yeah.
You all are so out of your depth.
You guys really let me get away with a lot here.
You really do. I mean, I know that I'm the literal embodiment of deceit, but come on.
Because if we don't fix the reactor, we're all gonna lose, so.
I left. I did.
Oh, Davi just killed Delia. Guys, help!
Report it.
I'm trying now!
Other imposter, carry on my legacy.
That's what I'm saying. He's not even being great about it. He's just doing it in broad daylight.
Yeah. Davi got imposter too many times.
I did.
Yeah,
I hate
the
it.
game knows.
Can't believe I forgot that if I killed someone, you could report the body. That was a goof.
I didn't even know that either. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared. Y'all, I'm on edge. I am on edge. I'm on edge. I'm sorry.
Oh
I'm
no.
on the edge of murder.
Of glory? I'm on the edge.
Of
You
murder.
all are
And I'm
that's fantastic.
merging over to you.
Terrence.
I was coming. Listen.
No, it wasn't Kenny. It wasn't. Okay, let's vote Terrence.
No. Aria
Kenny and I were both in the comm room.
I'm voting Kenny. It was Kenny. It was Kenny. Not me. It's Kenny. I'm telling y'all.
No, it wasn't. I promise you, it wasn't.
The haunted map.
This stinks.
You're bad at Among Us, everyone.
Why you gonna be calling me out, bro?
Okay.
Hello? I promise you, it was not me. I saw Terrence on the bottom. It looked bad. I
It
know.
was not me, y'all.
I know.
Yes, you're dead.
Oh,
We will avenge you.
During that time, it could not have been me that killed Len because you were with me and Faria was with you too.
I did see Kenny for a little bit, but I don't know, you could have left. I didn't see the whole time.
This is killing me.
I think it's Dahmer Kenny, but
So Kenny, who are you voting for? And I will vote for that person too.
I see Kenny a lot, so it could be Dom.
I don't know.
It's killing me not to be able to say anything.
Faria, you can't spell sus without Faria.
Maria, I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret this.
I got lucky, I almost had it.
Hey, nice going. Oh, Cam's back to die.
Thought it was
So I managed to record most of the reaction video yesterday, cause my camera died kind of nearing the end, so I had to leave it to charge overnight. Anyways, let's get back into the video then.
It was Davi and Faria again. This game really loves those two. There's Davi already looking very suspicious.
I'm doing my good boy task.
Good, Davi. Yes, I don't believe you ever again.
I just did a visual task.
And Davi. It's a shame I can't accuse Davi this time. When Faria did it? Faria did it.
Yeah, Faria found it.
I found the body. You know, I know it makes me look sus because I keep finding bodies. But I promise I'm just finding them.
Oh, sure, you're just finding them.
I'm gonna skip my vote then. There's not enough evidence for me.
Oh, no one was ejected. Well, Faria, that was a joke. Ha ha ha, we're still friends. Let's continue playing the game.
Doing my chores. Doing my chores.
Just following individuals around.
Come on, son.
I saw him do it. Orange just kills pink.
Reporting.
Orange
Not sus.
just kills pink.
No.
Oh, so it's definitely one of these two. I've deduced that much. Let's vote orange, and if it's not orange, we'll vote perp.
Oh, no.
Is this a scheme so that Esteban gets the time to kill everyone else before the next round? Where is the oxygen? I would never survive on a
Purple's trying to
spaceship.
get me out of here so he can keep killing.
I legitimately watched him murder pink.
I'm going to vote orange because I do not trust Dominic to be able to lie this well. So we're going to go ahead with Dominic. What is happening? guys. Let's all come together on this, shall we?
It happened again.
Alright, so I think it is Dominic.
Dominic and the other imposter are all going to be voting for me, and then one other person is voting for me.
Look at you using math. I don't trust
You use math?
Did we do it?
Boy, I hate you.
I never passed maths.
God, somebody open the door.
Hmm.
Come on, son. Let's get going.
It was definitely, it had to have been Lev because I just saw Lev behind me.
Yeah, it's love.
It's love.
Lev had nothing to say. Well done, everyone. This is good.
Yes!
Alright, here we go.
Janus's reaction though.
Oh no, I hope I don't die.
Janus is loving this.
Alright, what have we got here?
So I found Dom dead right below navigations, and I saw Janus just walk up past me,
Ooh.
but didn't even bother reporting the body. So he's.
Well, I didn't go. Where is that?
He's a bit sus.
Yeah.
Why would I have
I
gone?
was in the cafeteria and Janice came through the cafeteria, but also, while I was in the cafeteria doing my little good boy tasks, Esteban came up to me and just kind of paused.
I was going up to the wall to do my task.
What was your task?
Download from the cafeteria.
Where is there a download in the cafeteria? I don't have anything else to really defend myself in this matter. I was literally just walking through. And again, I wish that I was the imposter.
That's what a killer would say.
Oh,
That being
well.
said, I still.
Better be a good boy still.
I always am.
Kenny is a busy father.
So am I. Why do you think I would ever want to expose anyone to blatant murder, including my bastards?
What's the name of your bastard anyway?
I don't need to think of a name. I'll call you Jake. Just go on without me. You don't need me in your life.
Jake!
I'm just trying to get away from my responsibilities.
Jake is the orange side.
My names are Kid 1 and Kid 2.
Oh, poor Dahlia.
Oh my god, Janice.
Dahlia.
Oh, sorry.
What are you
I'm
talking
English
about?
right now.
What are you
Oh
talking
my
about?
god!
What is that?
Double kill.
We found two bodies next to each other in security. I believe it was.
I was not over insecurity.
Purple. I ran past you,
Definitely was
didn't I?
not over insecurity. I've been spending many
Kenny's
minutes trying to figure
reaction.
out one task that was impossible to figure out, and then I moved over to the cafeteria again.
I just watched you walk through a cafeteria. I just watched you. I was right
Yeah.
behind you, and you walked to the
Yeah,
right.
and yeah. So I think Janice is suspicious.
Dobby,
Right off the bat.
is this
Yes,
another
yes,
one of the
sneaky boy.
strategies that you are using to try and take the suspicion off of you?
No, you know why? Because I have a visual task. I have trash. Anybody can watch me do it. I saved it just in case. So.
Visual tasks off.
Are they?
Seems like it's not really adding up, Dobby.
That's fine. I have trash. I'm a little trash boy. You can see me take the trash out.
Dobby, you've disappointed us one too many times. I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. Well, that's not right. My eyes are turned to Lev at this point. and do
My
not
eyes have
just
turned to
know.
the right.
Trust
You're
me.
following me.
Just now, and also
Hey!
The day is mine! It's finally happened! Faria was definitely the silent champ in that game. I was taking all the heat off of Faria and just letting Faria just absolutely kill.
This time, Dobby was telling the truth.
Moral of the story: respect the trash man.
The moral of the story is
Respect
don't
Remus.
cry innocent so many times and be the imposter, Dobby, because it worked against you at long last. I feel like a spirit reborn. That was so Wonderful. Not only to take so many people down surreptitiously, but also to get away with it so many times. Care to watch an extended version of this video? More Among Us gameplay, more deception, more intrigue, more...
Discovers map.
The drama of that one.
Let's go, finally.
Janus, you're naked.
Well, so go over to my
Naked.
corridor stored rewards, which
Naked
is Thomas's
snakey.
Patreon, and sign up at the lowest level to gain access to all our extended videos. I must say, that was actually very fun, and I'm glad that I finally got to be the imposter at the very end. Thank you all so much for joining me, all of you Thomas's friends. You're all way more entertaining than I thought that you actually were.
I'll take it.
Thank you, Janus.
Yeah, thank
Until next time, take it sleazy, guys, gals, and non-binary
Sleazy.
pals. Peace out.
That was good fun to watch. Bring Snake Boy back. I would suggest just like having this size play Among Us, but then I remembered that they're all played by Thomas. I mean, it could work if it was staged or something, and then I don't know. Anyways, I really enjoyed watching that. It was nice to be able to watch something and react to something I haven't had the chance to do before. And I look forward to future gaming videos. I've heard that at some point there's going to be a Minecraft video or something, and I've been playing Minecraft since it came out, on and off. So I'm excited for that. Yes, I just call myself out on being a nerd. It's more fun to be a nerd than boring though, eh? Anyways, there should be a gaming video coming out at some point this week. I can't say exactly when, because as of today I have to record that and possibly stream for 2 hours. That's if editing this video doesn't take too long. Hopefully it shouldn't, because I think I've begun going to improve at editing. Anyways, I got to edit this. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're really close to 200 subs now, like 10 people off. So I've got some plans for a 200 subs video already. Like, share, and drop some creative criticism in the comments below. Okay. Take care. Bye.